How to do speed ramping on Premiere Pro. To do speed ramping, you need Adobe After Effects. On Premiere Pro, you cannot do complex speed ramping. What you can do is basically just make a cut like this. And if you want to speed up the middle section, just select the section which you just cut and press Command R. Once you press Command R, this thing will open up. From here, change its speed to however much you want. I'm going to change it to 200 and you guys can see it has been sped. Now, if I just join this clip, what's going to happen is this is going to show in normal speed. This is going to be shown in 200x speed, normal speed, kind of like speed ramping. And if you go here, you can press on this, make another cut, and then do Command R. And this time just go to 50 to slow it down. And this section will be slowed and it'll be fast again from here. So this is the only normal level of speed ramping you can do in Premiere Pro. So for all the graphs and different stuff, you need After Effects. So keep that in mind. But that's how we guys can do the basic speed ramping on Premiere Pro. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.